Firmware Release 1.6 adds significant improvements to the ATUC-50 Digital Discussion System. Unlike a maintenance firmware release, upgrading to version 1.6 restores the CU to its default state and rewrites any saved user presets to a format required by the new version. For systems that use multiple CUs, each CU will need to be upgraded. Although the upgrade process copies and restores system presets and user configurations, it is always a good idea to make a backup copy of the CU presets and settings before upgrading the firmware. Also, make certain that all DUs and other peripherals have been upgraded to their latest firmware before upgrading a CU. Download the firmware upgrade zip file from the Audio-Technica website. When the update package is unzipped, it creates an ATUC-50 upgrade folder containing a documentation folder and a tool folder with the upgrade firmware and installation tools. Upgrading a CU to version 1.6 requires two separate actions. First, the control unit is prepared for upgrading by loading an intermediate firmware, version 92.1.1, using the standard update process. This step needs to be completed before performing the actual upgrade. Next, the VER-UP16 application is used to copy the current user presets to a temporary data file and upgrade the CU firmware. Once the firmware upgrade is complete, the application restores the user presets back to the CU. The upgrade process uses a Windows PC connected to the network port on the CU and cannot be done using the web remote or with a USB stick drive. Before upgrading, disconnect all peripherals, including other CUs, from the CU being upgraded. Activity number 1. Prepare the CU for upgrading. On the PC, open the Tool folder and navigate to the V1.5 subfolder. Copy the ATUC-50 FWV2.bin intermediate firmware file to the root directory of a formatted USB stick. Make certain the CU is powered down. Insert the USB stick into the USB port on the CU and turn on the CU power. The CU powers up in the firmware update mode. Using the jog dial, select 50CU and press the jog dial. The display briefly indicates the current firmware version. When OK Cancel appears, select OK and press the jog dial. Verify the display indicates the current firmware version along with the intermediate update version 92.1.1. Press the jog dial to begin the intermediate firmware update process. Note: do not turn off the CU during the update. When the update is finished, the display indicates completed. Power off the CU and remove the USB stick. Power on the CU and using the jog dial, navigate to Set, Administrator, number 2 System Info, number 3 Firmware Version, and verify the firmware is 92.1.1. At this point, the control unit is ready to be upgraded to firmware version 1.6. Activity number 2. Upgrading the CU to firmware version 1.6. Connect the computer with the firmware upgrade application directly to the CU being upgraded with a Cat5 cable. During the intermediate firmware update, the CU's IP address and subnet mask were set to static settings listed in the printed documentation. Verify that the computer and CU are on the same network subnet mask and IP address range using the computer's control panel network settings. If not, make the changes on the computer. Open the Tool folder and double-click the Version Upgrade application. When the For ATUC-50CU window opens, confirm the IP address and port values for the CU being upgraded and click the Connect button. If a socket operation error message appears, recheck the computer's network settings. Next, click the V1.5 to V1.6 Version Up button to begin the upgrade process. When the version upgrade window opens, select the One Export Preset tab and click the Start button. Any saved user presets and settings are converted into a format readable by the version 1.6 firmware and stored in a temporary file on the PC. The process continues to upgrade the CU's firmware and copy the user presets and settings back to the CU. During the upgrade process, a status bar appears on the PC and the CU displays "Now updating 50CU, do not power off." When the upgrade process is complete, a Version Up Completed window appears. Click OK to close the window and exit the upgrade program. Power off the CU and reconnect the peripherals. Power on the CU and using the jog dial, navigate to Set Administrator, number 2 System Info, number 3 Firmware Version, and verify the firmware is 1.6.1. Alternatively, the web remote can be used to verify the firmware version. It is also a good idea to reset the CU to its default settings after upgrading the firmware. Using the jog dial, navigate to Set Administrator, number 1 System Settings, number 11 Reset All DFLT, and press the jog dial. Select OK to reset all settings to defaults, and OK again to confirm. Power the CU off and on to complete the process. For more information, visit us on the web at www.audio-technica.com.